Hey guys, shout out to Saida tasnim, and here is her channel. Where it is channel? Yes, here it is channel, and here her its channel, and this is the video of Q&A. Check out his channel. She has awesome videos, and mostly she gives the shout out also. And so here is her channel. Check it out. She's, I think. So I have given the shout out to Saida tasnim. You can search her channel on YouTube, and if you want a shout out, so comment, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and comment down below #notification square to get a shout out. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to tell you how to make fluffy slime with only on 3 ingredients. The ingredients are glue. I'm using this Alpha white glue. And the second ingredient is fluffy shaving foam that makes the slime fluffy. And the N is activator. I have stored the activator in a glue bottle. And then the main thing that you will need obviously is a bowl and a mixing tool. So let's get started. And yes, I'm using the poster color, and poster color or food coloring is totally optional. So let's get started. First, you will be needing the glue, to make the glue thinner. I am using the water, some now pour some water in it if your glue is this much thick. Some more water I'm using. And then I am using the poster color and yellow poster color, and I have tell you that it is totally optional. And then you'll be needing the shaving foam. You can use any brand. And then the last thing that you will be needing is activator. I am using the borax. You can use contact lens solution or laundry detergent as well. You can see it's starting activated. Start kneading it. And here you go, your fluffy slime. And guys, here is the tutorial, and bye for now. If you want a shout out, so come subscribe my channel, like my videos, and comment down below #notification square to get a shout out. Bye.